Just the long ways. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, how fun.
Yeah, well, here, just open it. Yeah, be careful.
Look at that. Look at that.
Really?
Oh my god! Are you really? Is that what you were saying?
Congratulations!
Oh my god.
She's been so worried. She's been.
I like your silver dress, Lucia. Lucia. Lucia.
Yeah, Lola and Pepper are opening one. Look.
Oh, number 4.
Ah,
Is
Wait a
it what
minute.
it is?
wait a minute.
Sophia, Lucia, and oh my god!
So you really do not have the flu?
I did.
Oh, really?
Take a picture.
Hey! I figured you had told us last night. When did you know? Really?
Okay,
Congrats.
he's gonna take a picture of us. Come on.
When did you guys
Dad.
Last night?
Come on.
Girls, you guys understand what's going on? Kelly has a baby in her belly.
Thank you, Kelly.
Can you believe it?